Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
Video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install Coinmarketcap in your mobile device. So let's get started. To download and install Coinmarketcap in your device, first you need to open your Play Store. Then you can search for the keyword Coinmarketcap in the search bar. Let me search it really quickly, and you can see the result of the app in the search result. So just click on the install. It may take some time to get downloaded and installed. Let's wait for it. Just be patient. Let's check it out in the app section. There it is. The task has been complete. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.